So we have a question from IPM Indore 2023 exam QA section, QA essay section. So here we need to find the total number of positive integer solutions so that this holds true. So we need to find how many different values of ABC can be there for which their sum will be more than or equal to 21 and less than or equal to 25. So we don't have to find what are the values, we have to find how many such values are possible. For example, one value of A, B and C can be 7, 7 and 7. So if all A, B and C are 7, then their sum will be 21, which satisfies the given condition. So that can be counted as one solution. So we need to find how many such solutions are there. So I hope the question is now clear. So we need to find how many different values of A, B and C can be there so that their sum lies in this range, 21 to 25. So we need to count that number, right? So now how do we do that? Even if the question is only this much, that A plus B plus C is equal to 21 only and not this range, then also A, B and C can have many values, right? And A, B and C are positive integers. That means 0 is not possible, but A, B and C still can have many values. A can be 1, A can be 1, B can be 10, C can be 10. That is also possible. The sum will be 21. A can be 2, B can be 9, C can be 10. And there are multiple such values possible. So we need, how can we solve this simple question first? If A plus B plus C is 21, then how many different positive integer solutions are there? So to solve such questions, we have this concept, number of ways of distributing n identical objects into r distinct groups so that no group is empty. So the number of ways to do this is n minus 1 c r minus 1. So please mind these two words, and identical objects, the objects that we are distributing, they are identical, but the groups in which we are putting those objects, they are distinct. The groups are distinct, right? So then we can get the values of a, we can get the different number of different solutions as n minus 1 c r minus 1. So to give an example, if I have to distribute 21 in this case, 21 balls, identical balls, into 3 boxes, and the boxes are labeled as A, B, and C. So if I had to do that, and the condition is that no box should remain empty. No box should be empty. So this is a similar situation as this. The number of balls given to box A will be the value of A. The number of balls given to box B will be the value of B here. And similarly, this will be the value of C. So A, B, and C cannot be 0 because we have said already that the box cannot be empty. So we have to assign at least one ball to each box. So in how many ways can we do that? As I have written here, I cannot derive this formula. There is a derivation also, but that will be beyond the scope of this question. So we will directly use this standard formula. So the result will be 21 minus 1 C R minus 1. So R is 3. We are to distribute this in 3 groups. So R is 3. So 3 minus 1. So we can do this in 20C 2 ways. 20C2 will be 20 into 10 by 2. That will be 100 ways. Sorry, 20 into 19 by 2. So that will be 190 ways. So in 190 distinct ways, different ways, we can distribute these 21 balls to these 3 boxes, or there will be 190 different solutions to this. so that A plus B plus C can be 21, where none of them is 0. So A plus B plus C equal to 21. This can happen in 190 days. But we have to find other values also. What if A plus B plus C is 22? Because A plus B plus C should be from 21 to 25, anything. So A plus B plus C can be 22 as well. So uh, we can now use the same process. So I will not repeat this entire thing again. I will simply write 22 minus 1 C3 minus 1. So it will be 21 C2. Then for the third case, A plus B plus C can be 23. So in that case, it will be 23 minus 1 C3 minus 1. So 22 C2. When A plus B plus C is 24. So now I will directly write, so this will be 23 C2. And when A plus B plus C is 25. Because A plus B plus C can range from 21 to 25. So in that case, this will be 24 C2. So starting from 21 C2, which was 190, we get all the answers till 24 C2. So I'll have to add all of them. So 21 C2 will be 21 into 20 by 2. So that will be 210. Next will be 22 into 21 by 2. That will be 21 into 11. So 210 plus 21, 231. Next is 23C2. So 23 into 11, that will be 230 plus 23, 253. And next will be 24C2. So 24 into 23 by 2. So 230 plus 46, 276. So we'll have to add these numbers. 210, 231, 253, 276, and 190 was the first one. So if we add all these numbers, so the answer will be 0. 1160. So that will be the answer.